Ano kaya ang Mr. Donut? Dito na lang ni sa Bongbong. Mr. Donut is having lot of customers and we cannot sit, so we will proceed to Bongbong and we will have our coffee this time. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye. Here. We're coming. We're coming. Okay, we're coming. We're here now in Bongbong and we're going to have my coffee. Gila kami, gila. Gila kami, gila. Hold in line. Hold in line. Naging kukuha in line. Miss namin broad coffee ko. Ano ang available?
Miss Cafe, 3-1.
Ano na isa?
iPhone 5S, o, nag-9 na lang.
Sige, 3-in-1 na lang, miss. Ay, Milo na lang, miss. Milo na lang, miss. Milo na lang.
Milo na lang, ha?
Oh, yes.
I'll prefer.
Aliyo, pagbayad. I am disappointed this time because I just supposed to be want to drink coffee, but because they don't have coffee, and I want to drink something hot because I have stomach ache. So I'm drinking, supposed to be it's coffee, but they don't have available coffee. So I don't like 3-in-1, so I'm going to drink Milo. So Milo.